Good morning, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. Hope you're all doing well today. We went out yesterday and we got a whole big can full of video for you, so get ready to enjoy. We want to give a quick shout out to Nancy Hodges, Nick Welchoff, John Hanson, Michael Fox, and JD. Thanks for your contributions. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for your support. Take care. Bye-bye. Railroad fans, Cajon Pass, we just got done filming the train on the left. It was a nice aggregate train with rocks. Now we got a Union Pacific coming up, main track number 1 on the BNSF sets. Got an SD something in front with that big hood. SD70. I'll double check it. We're at Cajon Summit, right around Milepost 56 on the BNSF sets. Cajon Subdivision, Southern California. Heavy train here, coil cars, Autoracks, center beam lumber car, tank car, big old hoppers. We're just getting started. Old gondola, little bitty tank piglets. It's truly a mixed freight train here. Right at the summit. The end of the train's coming up, front of the train's going down. Old coil car there. Old big rolls of metal. It's a beauty. Like I said on the last video, it's about 9:45 in the morning, and right now it's probably getting close to 93, 94 degrees. It's gonna be a hot one out here. We're gonna try to get it done early. Luckily, we've got some good action so far. Get some film in the can, get home under the big trees and shade and cool off a little bit. It even gets hot up there where I live on the mountains. It's about 15 degrees cooler, but open box car. Autoracks empty. This whole train's probably empty. It's moving along pretty good with only 3 power units going uphill. All right, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. We know you like what you see. With the power coming over the summit here. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. We got super chat and super thanks. Appreciate all the contributions over the last few days for our celebrating our 1-year anniversary and 2,000 subscribers. All right, we love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Take care.